In the early morning silence, iron lungs hummed, hospital hallways waited, and parents held breath, fearing a childhood stolen. Polio was everywhere, unseen, unstoppable, knocking at every door that day. Summer pools closed, playgrounds emptied, chalk drawings faded as fear traveled faster than laughter everywhere. Doctors whispered numbers, newspapers printed paralysis, and wheelchairs lined schools like warnings for frightened towns. In Pittsburgh labs, a quiet researcher named Jonas Salk chased an impossible promise for children. Killed virus, not live, could teach immunity without risking tiny lives across America and beyond. Skeptics warned loudly. Funding wavered, time pressed. Yet volunteers rolled sleeves with trembling hope inside. Science demanded proof, not faith. And proof would come through children enrolled nationwide, bravely, together.
I remember classrooms turning clinics, desks replaced by trays, nurses smiling gently. We lined up, sleeves high, brave faces hiding shakes behind hopeful songs whispered. In 1954, the trial began, the largest ever attempted nationwide. Millions of doses, double-blind, secrets sealed, tension rising daily across schools, states, parents signed forms, hearts pounding, trusting strangers with priceless futures that summer. We waited, counting calendars, listening to sirens, praying quietly during long, anxious nights.
Results traveled slowly. Envelopes locked, statisticians whispering hope inside rooms where answers would change everything. Outside, spring returned, yet fear refused to leave until numbers finally spoke clearly to everyone. April 12, 1955, microphones waited. History held breath inside a crowded university hall. Reporters leaned forward, pencils poised, radios humming everywhere as an announcement approached. Momentous and irreversible. The words landed softly, then exploded. Safe, effective, protection achieved for children nationwide, at last. Cheers broke, tears followed, strangers hugged. Fear finally cracked after summers of dread and waiting. Church bells rang, factories paused, headlines screamed hope in bold ink for a healing nation. Vaccination lines formed, immunity spread, paralysis rates collapsed faster than anyone dared believe. That year.
I remember my arms sore, my mother smiling through relief. We ran again, legs free. Summer's hours without fear, finally. Hospitals quieted, iron lungs faded into history books. Childhood returned, carried by syringes and trust earned together.
The trial transformed public health, proving cooperation could outrun disease when science led, boldly, together. Vaccines followed, systems strengthened, millions of children saved by trust, testing, transparency, and shared courage. Today, polio lingers only in corners, chased by memory of a breakthrough that changed everything. Progress feels fragile, but proof shows unity works when we choose care, rigor, and compassion. If this story moved you, honor science, share hope with others today. Like, subscribe, comment, and keep learning together to protect children everywhere, always onward.